we show you how to generate a new variable. For example, here we have age in here. We can generate, for example, two classes of ages that will classify I for people who have, for example, more than 50 years and person that have that are age more than 50. So let us go on transform. We create a new variable that will be called age plus underscore plus classes. So we'll create not only two classes, as we said, we'll create three classes. Those who are more than 4 years. The second class will be for person that are aged between 40 to 60, and the last class which will be for those who are aged more than 60 years. So we create our first class. We give the value one, and we set a condition by coming here in this type here if. So we click on if here, down here, click on if, and include cases. Select include cases. We will select our variable age, and use this arrow in order to put it into variable section. We'll require our variable to be in our first class to be less than 40, less than 40-year old. So we click on continue and then click on OK. And you can see that our variable has been our first class have been generated, and we can generate as well our second class. Transform compute variable, we keep the same name age classes. Our second value will be 2 for those who are if condition age is superior is more than 14, and the second condition will be that age must be less than 60, less than 60. And then you click on continue and then click on OK. I can see that our second class has been generated. We'll generate our third class by clicking on compute variable, and then we will put here 3. Our third characteristics will be if age is more than 60-year-old. Then click on continue and then click on OK, and you can see that our variable a new variable have been generated, and we have a variable age data set, and we can come into variable and define some conditions, some characteristics. We have will not have a decimal here. Width can be 1 as well as other variable. We can create a label here. value label have been generated for available age classes.